hey, have you ever seen such a beautiful packaging of a projector ever in your professional life? Tell me.
Is this a projector?
This is a projector. This is Xiaomi Wemax, 7000 lumens, ultra short throw, 150-inch diagonal screen from a distance of 0.25 meters now shorter. I am truly blown away. Bluetooth, wireless connectivity, speakers, and stereo speakers, not just home cinema, 4K resolution. These guys have just taken the market to a separate side. And look at the packaging. Look at the packaging of Wemax. Amazing. Okay. So what we're going to do is, as we were blown away with the specs and the packaging, we're going to open it up and let's see what's inside and how are we going to operate on this. Okay. Oh my god. Looks scary, bro. 5 kgs. Or I think that's but anyway. Ta-da! There we go. Even I'm amazed by the color scheming, black, and even the packaging is black. So attention to detail is amazing. And what do we have here? Okay, we have the cleaning kit, my user manual. Nice way to do that. I thought I was being invited to a marriage. But anyway, this is there. We'll come back to this later on. And suspense, it's killing me. Okay. Somebody messed with it, but anyway, the projector comes inside the sleeve, and it seems that somebody got their hands to this before me. They were curious, so it's already been opened, but we'll put it in the video. It's gonna be the sleeve, and the design itself is amazing. You can see the sleekness, the projector itself. It's totally a different kind of thing altogether. New technologies, and it's a bit heavy, but it can be placed on the table like this, and you can start using it at a very short throw distance. We have Wemax. We have the adapters that are there, coming with the 2-pin and 3-pin, so it can be used internationally anywhere. You can carry it along with you. We have the remote, that's standard. But once again, I'm amazed with the color scheming. If I place it over here like that, that will truly look wonderful. And the power cable. Very, very intriguing and simple packaging, but very aesthetically done, very nice. And okay, we don't have anything else. So this is what comes with the Xiaomi Wemax 7000 lumens projector. This is just the unboxing. We are gonna be back with the technical guy to just turn it on, show us the 4K resolution, and I just can't wait to see a good movie, Avengers Endgame, most probably on this very, very soon. Thank you guys. We'll be back with you soon. Take care.
Thank you.